Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy, and here is Ram. So we just came from school and we are going for a nature walk in our community. Almost spring is here, and I want to show Ram the signs of spring, like little bugs and the small leaves or buds on the plants, and how the weather is changing in spring. I want to discuss while we are walking. So come along with us and join us for the spring walk. Yes, Ram?
Yeah.
In our community. Let's go for a walk?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Let's go for a walk, Ram. Okay. Did you see there are leaves on this plant?
Yeah.
Earlier there were no leaves. Come and observe. Get off your bicycle and come and observe. Slow, slow, slow. Did you see those leaves? Don't pluck the leaves, Ram. Don't pluck the leaves. Okay? Go near. Did you see? What do you observe? Leaves? Okay.
That time they were just sticks. Earlier they were
Only branches.
only branches like twigs only.
Twigs, yeah.
Early then it grew
Yeah, now it grew, right? Why? Because
because it's pink.
spring. It is spring season. What do you see? In spring season, you see new leaves sprouting on the branches. And what else? On the ground, what do you see on the ground? The grass was dried.
Wood chips and the dirt and the grass.
Yeah. The grass was dried during winter, right? Now it is growing green. You see? We still see a little bit brown grass. But there is green grass coming. Show me where is the green grass coming. What did you observe? What did you observe? Green grass. Don't pluck. काय observe करे बोल मके.
Green grass
Hmm?
and some white grass.
Yeah, dried grass. So this is spring. Spring? Okay.
There can we go?
Okay. And what else do you see? Where did you put your snack?
In the mailbox.
In the mailbox. You have a cute little mailbox. That's cute, Ram. Okay, eat your snack. That's nice. Be careful, Ram. Shiva. Slow, slow. Not olden days. during winter, Ram.
Yeah,
Bol.
during it.
Yeah, but why are they? You see the small birds, green leaves, chinna leaves.
Yeah,
You see
it's
that?
starting to grow.
Yeah, they are starting to grow. Why? You tell me the answer.
Because it's spring.
Nikki, come on.
The spring is coming up.
It is spring, Rama. See, it is all dry, but when you see closely, when you see closely, you see this. Yeah, let's go now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
Ram, did you observe purple flowers?
No,
Did you
that
notice?
time we missed that.
You missed it? Yeah, that's why I called you. See? You see this? Spring is here and you see this purple small flowers? Don't pluck them. Chinna flowers, nahi?
Yeah, good thing.
Why? Why are they growing? Because there is more sunlight? You see the sun? You see the sun, Ram?
Yeah.
Yeah. Spring is here and you see flowers in spring. Nike?
Yeah.
You see these purple flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. What did you find?
Ladybug. That's a found a ladybug.
Nana found a ladybug.
Wait,
Kaze?
I don't want to fly away.
What did you find, Shiva? See? What did you see?
A ladybug.
Ladybug.
Put out your hand.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, in spring you see ladybugs. We'll make crafts of ladybug. Yeah,
Come
Rama?
on, Mom.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It will not hurt you.
It's not gonna bite.
Yeah. Kaze?
The Rama.
Hey, see the ladybugs. When do you see ladybugs, Ram? In spring.
Only in spring, not in winter.
Yeah. They come out in spring. See?
Come on.
अच्छा मारा हाथ पर रख ले. It's okay.
Scared, Ram?
No, it will not bite you, Ram.
Yeah. It does nothing.
Yeah.
But can you get
अरे देख. हाँ चल. Okay, go, baby. Spider. There are a lot of spider webs. Where? Inside the hole. Spider webs inside the hole. You see that? शिवा हेड लग जाओ ऊपर चल. ओके आओ बेटा शिवा. नो 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 हाई. Lot of spider webs. ओके चल आजा चल. चल. या चल बेटा लेट्स गो. आओ शिवा. Yeah. It's empty. I think there's spider's web will be there. Come.
Maybe they find a way.
Yeah. चल. अरे कुछ यार. चलो चलो. अरे ant hill से रही रामा. You see that?
Yeah.
Ant hill. कहाँ से? Yeah. You see the ant hill, Ram?
Yeah.
अरे देखे वहाँ ant hill. देखा. Don't go there. अरे ant hill देख रामा. Ant hill देखा दे. Ants दिसता वा. You need to write A for ant. अरे था से देखा दे ant hill. देख. You see the ant hill, Ram? Okay. This is your school, Rama.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Right now.
Shiva. Flowers देखे वा?
Yeah.
अरे flowers. Flowers. थोड़ा trees के flowers hours then leaves hours. Those flowers will turn into leaves. You see that? देखे वा?
Yeah.
देखे वा? Purple flowers. You see that? Purple flowers.
Hold it.
अपन ते draw करेंगे हम. No, don't pluck Shiva, don't pluck.
Keep that one.
देखे वा रामा? Purple flowers.
Flower.
And also you have white flowers, Ram. You see those white flowers?
White flowers.
Yellow flowers.
There's some of it.
And you see this pollen? This is pollen, don't touch. Okay. Sabar daddy khasegi. You see that white flower?
Yeah.
Yes, spring. Pakad. This is spring. Yeah, ow.
Square.
Huh?
Square.
हाँ देख रॉक से दिखता रहती. चल.
Chalo. I want one collection.
Alright guys, that was our spring nature walk. We really enjoyed exploring outside by engaging all our 5 senses and had so much fun learning, and I hope you did too. You could do this type of nature walk anywhere, so let us know in the comments below where did you go and what did you see. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
If you click the button like